Assalamu alaikum. Now today we learn how to responsive my font of web page. Firstly, open Sublime. Okay. Sublime. Okay. Open CSS file. How to responsive font properties. You can also use font size, but suppose W. VW stands view port with. Okay, viewport with used to responsive font size. Save. Okay, save. Open. No scroll bar is here. Okay, हम viewport थोड़ा size decrease viewport size. Okay, 8. Seven. Okay, it's no scroll bar. You can also check this. Okay, font is responsive. Adjust browser with automatically with using viewport font size. Okay, now go to next properties. Okay, now we are working start on anchor links. Okay, you can take no refresh. Okay, now we are working start on anchor links. Firstly, anchor. I want to remove underline of links. Okay, so we can use text decoration properties. Text decoration value is none. Nothing want to text decoration. Okay, now we have pseudo class anchor link. Pseudo class like link visited hover. ठीक है, it's called pseudo class. How to use pseudo class? A anchor colon pseudo class name, then properties is assigned. Suppose color blue. Okay, link means one like create link or is color blue. but we have three links. There is no color change. Reason because I visited this link. Okay, now create we new link. You can see this anchor hyperlink reference. Check link pseudo class. Okay, now this link color is blue because it's not visited, is just link, not use. Okay, now a visited color red. Okay, I link. Okay, because it's visited in this link, that's why this color is red. It's not visited this link, that's why this color is blue. Okay, a hover is I move the cursor on this thing, this apply is hover. Okay, okay, background color is tomato रख दिया. Okay, 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 it's called over when my cursor move on thing, they change the properties. It's called over. Okay, you can use different properties like padding. What is padding? Okay, suppose okay, it's my box on web page. I'm write something. Okay, but I want to move text left side, it's padding, top side padding, right side, it's called padding. Okay, that is padding. They get space within a box and adjust the text. It's called padding. Now padding 10 px. Okay, you can assign padding anchor, only anchor is better for. Okay, okay, create a space. That is video. If you understand this video, so like and subscribe, and thank you for watching my video.